So a lot of you are probably used to using Microsoft Word as a word processor, and if that's the case, you're used to the word processor automatically capitalizing certain things for you when you forget to do so yourself. The biggest example of that is the word I, as in, I am writing an essay. So it's okay to use that word in your writing sometimes, and it's obviously okay for you in the case of what you're writing right now. But it is important that that is capitalized. So you can either read through your entire essay and change all of the times that you forgot to do that, or you can do this quick and easy tip that sort of shows you very quickly how to do that. So I give you printed directions for this, but here's a video in case you're a visual type person. So what I'm going to do, see my mouse here, I'm going to go up here and click on Edit, which is right next to File. Then I'm going to select Find and Replace. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit the space bar, and it's going to highlight all of the spaces, but I want more than that. I want space bar, then I want a non-capitalized I followed by a space bar. I want to replace that with space bar, capital I, space bar, and I need to click this box right here which says match case, meaning uppercase or lowercase for letters. After I do that, then there are a lot fewer highlights here, but I can click either replace and it'll go through them one by one, or I can do the easy thing and hit replace all, and boom, it corrected every time that I had a lowercase I, except for in the case of contractions. So contractions are two words smooshed together with an apostrophe, such as you've, as in Y-O-U apostrophe V-E is an example of one. But there are a couple that include the word I, which is I'm and I've. So we can do the find and replace trick with this one too. We would just do a lowercase I-V-E. We can take the spaces off from in front of and behind it if we wanted. The reason we put those spaces before is otherwise it would show us every time there was a letter I, even if it was in the middle of a word. So let's replace lowercase I've with capital I've. Replace all. Okay, that fixed all those. But there's another one. There is I'm. Replace all. Now what if you accidentally left the apostrophe out, which I know some people might have done. Let's add the spaces back in front of and behind. Oops, see right there? You can see right here this person put I'm honestly. So I'm going to replace all of those, and I'm going to check for IVE as well. There were none of those. You know what I just realized? I had I didn't add in the apostrophe. So let's replace those. Okay, so that's how you can use the find and replace tool to quickly make sure that you've capitalized those I's, which is super important. And now, all throughout this document, every time I use the word I, it is capitalized.